Hi, this is Christy, and welcome to the first Santo ISD Flipped Professional Development for ELAR. With this short presentation, I will demonstrate two review strategies. We'll be looking at the compare and contrast, plate model, and vocabulary rock and roll. A set of plastic plates is in your box if you requested them. In the compare and contrast model, you're going to organize kids into 3 to 5 groups depending on your class size. Give each group 2 large red plates and 4 each of the smaller blue, white, and yellow plates, plus 1 dry erase marker. Assign 2 topics for compare and contrast, having students write them on the red plates. Take the white plates and brainstorm 4 ways the topics are similar. Place these plates in between topics 1 and 2. Brainstorm as a group 4 ways that topic 1 is different from topic 2. Add these to the left of topic 1. Taking the yellow plates, come up with 4 ways topic 2 differs from topic 1. Add these to the right of topic 2. You can find the differences between the topics individually or by comparing topic 1 to topic 2, setting, protagonist, etc. The students select one person to take a notepad and take a cruise to at least 3 other groups, bringing back ideas to their home group. The teacher also cruises to verify group choices. Students can transfer their information into their journals or notes or choose to share with the class for discussion. This is a great activity to apply critical thinking skills while fostering discussion. Here's an example. We're comparing the Hunger Games and Divergent series of young adult fiction. If they haven't read the books, most students will have at least watched the movies. Similarities between the books include being set in a dystopian society, being under the scrutiny of an all-seeing authority, having societies that are isolated from and vastly different from others within the book, and having female protagonists as narrators. Teenagers being affected by societies, etc. are also other similarities. I chose to compare the differences from the Hunger Games to Divergent in direct correlation. In the Hunger Games, you are born into a district with no choice, while in Divergent, you are given the choice at 16 to choose your own faction. Katniss is mainly an icon of hope for her people, while Triss is more of a soldier in the war. In the Hunger Games, the capital is an all-seeing ruler, while Divergent, the government is made up of people from many different factions. Finally, tensions within the government were evident at the beginning of the Hunger Games and continue throughout the book. In Divergent, tension with the government erupts during the course of the series. Ways to use this in your classroom: Caesar versus Macbeth, Gandalf versus Dumbledore, Twilight series versus the original Dracula, comedy versus drama, prose versus poetry, Goldilocks and the 3 Bears versus the 3 Little Pigs. You can also use photos as topics. Vocabulary rock and roll. This is a great way to use dice to do an in-depth vocabulary study. If you don't have dice, borrow some, or I can email you a template to make your own that includes the action steps for each die. Put students in pairs or cooperative groups. Give each group a list of vocabulary words. Tell them to rip them apart and fold them in half and put them in a pile. Roll the die and perform the action. Do this at least 2 or 3 times or more per word. Draw another word and repeat. My example word is joy. Roll a 1. Use it in a sentence. Joy is being really happy. Roll a 2. Delight is a synonym. Misery is an antonym. To use the word in a sentence, I cried tears of joy when Matthew came home from college. Create an analogy. Joy is to fun what the deep sea is to a puddle. Roll a 6. Act it out. Good luck and happy reviewing. May the scores forever be in your favor. Remember to check your box for your plates and let me know how it goes. I would love a heads up when you're planning to try this in your classroom so that I can stop by and see it in action. Please click on the survey link that's contained in this email to take a short survey to receive credit for this professional development. Thank you.